There you have it, our 2D Lotto winning combination. For the first number, we have 17. And the second number is 5. Again, our 2D Lotto winning combination for the 2 p.m. draw is 17 and 5 in exact order. Lotto players, here's another chance to win thousands of pesos. In this game, 4,500 pesos ang panalo pag nag-match ang 3 numbers ninyo sa mapipiling 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order. Kung nag-rumble ito system play, you can win 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos. 3 times daily ang papremyo, kaya kung ako sa inyo, hindi ko palalampasin ang pagkakataong manalo ng libo-libong papremyo. And here's our 3D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 9. For the second number, we have 9. And the third number is 9. Recapping the 3D Lotto winning combination for the 2 p.m. draw, we have 9, 9, and 9. Congratulations, Lotto winners! Narito ang isa pang pampag-good vibes at dapat abangan ng mga Lotto players natin sa darating na araw ng kalayaan. Panoorin natin ito. Ayan mga kalaro, bilang pakikiisa sa pagdiriwang ng 128th anniversary ng kalayaan ng Pilipinas, gagawin natin mas exciting ang paglalaro ninyo ng Lotto dahil on June 12, 2026, araw ng kalayaan, ang jackpot prize ng Ultra Lotto 658 ay magiging 128 million pesos. Kaya naman, grab this opportunity to celebrate in advance at mag-advance draw system play na kayo and have the chance to become the next multi-millionaire this